Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Ari Wallet token distribution, Ari Wallet latest update. We are going to find out the token ratio, the conversion, and every other thing surrounding Ari Wallet. Ari Wallet has been mute for a couple of days. We have not heard from them unlike before the wallet registration. They have been updating the community bumper to bumper, but right now they are just mute. What could that mean? So in this video, we are going to see their latest update. Right now, if you have not connected your EVM wallet, that's your Ethereum wallet, go and do it. We have 8 days to go for the countdown. That's the proof of submission. So after these 8 days, no more wallet submission. So go and do this right now. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more of this. So right now, let's look at some questions. The first thing we need to cover in this video is about Discord registration. Ari Wallet made an update before they went mute. Let's check their latest post before they went mute. That was on 9th November. Today is 16th, if I'm not mistaken. Today is 16th. So their last update is on 9th November. Since 9th, they have not said anything. So what do you think this quietness means? Are they just done like that? Or anyway, let me not talk much. So what they said on 9th November, Mitchell said we will be temporarily closing the Discord server. During this time, please follow our Twitter for all Ari Chain updates. We apologize for the inconveniences. The Ari Wallet information registration will proceed as scheduled within the calendar period. This was their last update. They said they are temporarily going to close Discord server after so many hacks. I don't know whether they are behind the hacking that was done on their Discord account. I don't know. But after they had their Discord account close to two to three times before they now said they are temporarily going to close it. So if you have not done the Discord registration, there is no need to worry. You don't need to worry. This is basically for those that have been complaining that they can't perform the Discord task. You can't do it anymore because their server is shut down temporarily. You can't do anything on Ari Chain Discord. So if you have not done it, the only thing you need to do is to go back to your wallet, the Ari Chain wallet here, and make sure you submit your wallet, because they said after the countdown that Ari Wallet information registration will proceed as scheduled within the countdown. So once the countdown expires, no more wallet submission. So if you have not submitted your EVM wallet, go and do it right now. So what do you think will be the price of Ari token? Like now I have 12,540. What if Ari Chain decide to list as 0.5? How many USDT are you going to make? Assuming Ari Wallet, 1 Ari is equal to $0.5. So how much are you going to make? I have 12,540. Now let's calculate it. 12,540 multiplied by 0.5. So I'm going to get $6,270. So do you think Ari Wallet has such amount to pay users? So I don't think Ari Chain has this kind of money to pay users. So many users has a lot of points. Some are having close to 100. So I don't think Ari Chain can even reward users with $100. Talk more of 6,000. What do you think? Is that why they are just quiet? Is that why they have not updated their community for close to 8 days now? They have not said anything in their community. Let it not be what I'm thinking, no. Let's not be what I'm thinking. But what do you guys think? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Let's just be hopeful. Let's be positive that Ari Chain is not going to disappoint the community. We are just submitting our wallet. We don't even know the exact day for the listing. but we believe before the 8 days countdown expires, they are going to update us. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.